Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make one of the tastiest and easiest snack, Nigerian street snack. So today we are going to learn how to make a tastiest buns, and I want you to stay back to watch it to the end, and I am very sure you are going to like it. This is very simple to make. Stay back and watch to the end. We'll begin by adding a cup of milk into a bowl. I was supposed to use 2 eggs, but because they were small, I used 3 eggs. Then melted butter. Add your flavor. I use vanilla flavor. Half cup of sugar. Half teaspoon of salt. Then mix it together until everything is properly combined. We are going to keep it aside and start measuring our flour. This is the second cup, third, and that is all we need, just 3 cups of flour. And I'm using nutmeg. You can use cinnamon, and I also added my baking powder and mix everything together. Make a well in the flour and pour your liquid mixture and mix everything together until it forms a dough. You have to be careful if you are using a very small bowl like mine. The bowl was too small for what I was going to mix, but I just say I'm not going to change the bowl. I have to manage it, and I was so careful, and here we are. Our dough is almost ready for a stick, and I'm going to add a little more water until we get the consistency that will be okay for the buns. I'm going to drop the measurement of all the recipe I use for the buns in the description box, so check to see the measurement of all you need to make this sweet and tasty buns. Yeah, this is the consistency that is needed for the buns, not too thick and not too watery. I'm going to cover it for about 10 minutes while I wait for my oil to heat up. Now it is time for frying. Make sure you regulate the heat. Allow your buns to fry perfectly. If I see that it is too hot, I lower the heat, and when it is getting a bit cool, I increase the heat. Once I see one side is browning, I flip it over to the other side to enable the both sides fry well. Buns does not take a long time to cook, but you do not want to increase the heat too much so it won't burn, so you need to regulate the heat. Once it turns golden like this, then you can take it off. Please, if you are watching my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share with family and friends. And to my returning subscribers, I say thank you. Thanks for always coming back to watch my video. Continue same process until you are done frying your buns. And this is the final outcome. This buns is so sweet, very tasty and nice. You can have it with tea or any drinks of choice. See you some other time when I post my next video. Bye bye.